Yan yung mga
Lana, you see where those boats are? Over there? There's a hiking spot there.
Is that the hike Ariana's talking?
We went to that wax museum and we chilled by the park after. Tea parking lot!
Say hello, Eliza.
Hello!
Hello.
Wait, that's a weird looking camera. Is that a mic?
I don't know. I guess.
Dito na lang kasi ang araw dito.
We're at Bawanaco. It's here so dark because of the sun. Ariane's crashing out.
I am crashing
as per
out.
usual.
Yes, so.
Whatever.
Mermaid vibes.
Leo's already showered in the lake.
I brushed him out already.
Say hi to Lana's vlog.
Hello!
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog!
We're gonna swim. Are you gonna join us?
Yes.
No. Ellie, say hi. Say hi to the vlog, Ellie. Hi vlog. We're currently having a race. We're heavier, so we got a 5-second head start. Ariane fucking hit me in the head. I'm scared we're gonna tip over. She's hustling. Oh my god, the lead. He took the lead. Oh, that.
Ngayon, tamo kanina sa kuha, padung ko. 15 kilometers lagi. Padung ko.
You what?
Come back. Gara amnesia dinis.
Ali, eat your food first. Allergic to
Where did you go with my kids?
And can't see a thing.
Oh, this is dark one. This is very dark.
Has he been swimming? With a life jacket? There is this bench right by the lake that is so cute. Like, I'm sitting on it right now. And you just get like a nice view of the cliffs. I said I was not gonna go in the water today, but the sun is out and I'm hot and the water is just calling my name. I'm literally gonna have to go in like this. I'm wearing shorts underneath, so. Oh, I wasn't recording you.
Oh,
I'm recording the seagulls that are evenly spaced. We've been at Seabald all day. We're going to get ice cream. Do this one last.
go. Miguel, go. Not supposed to be in the Okay, let's take out
Oh, sorry, baby. That's good. That's it. That's it.
That's it.
How about the oldies?